friends. So in this lesson, we're going to work with templates. So let's get started. As we saw in the first section, where we explained the MVC and MVT models, templates are the files that allow us to generate the HTML code returned to the client. Now, in our views, the HTML code is not mixed in with the Python code, so Django actually comes with its own template system. However, Django is modular, so it's possible to use a different template system. And this system is composed of a language that will be used to make our dynamic templates. So that means in this section, we're going to learn how to send data to a template, display data in a template, display object lists in a template, handle chains with filters in Django, use URLs effectively, create base templates in order to extend other templates, insert static files in our templates. So what do you say we display Hello World in a template? So we're going to create the first template of our application. And to do that, well, we first have to edit the settings .py file in order to define the folder that's going to contain our template. We will first define the project folder as project_root, and this will simplify the migration to another system. Project_root equals os.path.adspath, open parenthesis, os.path.dir name, open parenthesis, _file, double close parenthesis, template, _dirs equals, open parenthesis, os.path.join, open parenthesis, project_root, comma, single quote, // slash tasks manager slash templates, single quote, close parenthesis, comma. You can put strings here like double quote slash home slash HTML slash Django_templates, double quotes, or double quotes C:// slash www slash Django slash templates, double quotes. And you know what? Make sure that you always use forward slashes, even on Windows. And remember to use absolute paths, not relative paths. Alright, so now that Django knows where to look for the templates, we're going to create the first template of our application. So to do this, use a file browser and add the index.html file in the tasks manager slash template/en/public/file. Okay, so we don't actually need to create the blank init blank.py file because these files don't contain any Python files. So this is the content of the index.html file. Hello world title. Hello world Django. Hello world. Although the template is correct, we do need to change the view to indicate its use. And we will modify the index.py file with this content. From Django.shortcuts, import render. Dash view for index page. Def page, open parenthesis, request, close parenthesis, colon, return, render, open parenthesis, request, comma, single quote, n, slash, public, slash, index.html, single quote, close parenthesis. Now, if we test this page, we will notice that the template has been taken into account by the view. Now, before we start improving upon our template, we've got to send some variables into the template, right? The injection of data is based on these variables, as the template will perform certain actions. Indeed, as we've seen in the explanation of the MVC pattern, the control must send variables to the template in order to display them. There are several functions to send variables to the template. The two main functions are render and render to response. So the render function is very similar to render to response. The main difference is that if we use render, we do not need to specify context instance equals request context in order to send the current context. So we're going to change our view and check variables into our template. So these variables will be very useful to work with the template language. And here is our modified view. From Django.shortcuts, import render, def page open parenthesis request close parenthesis colon my underscore variable equals double quotes hello world bang double quotes. Years underscore old equals 15. Array underscore city underscore capital equals open square brackets double quotes Paris double quotes comma double quotes London double quotes comma double quotes Washington double quotes close square bracket. Return render open parenthesis request comma single quote en slash public slash index.html single quote comma open curly double quotes my underscore bar double quotes colon my underscore variable comma double quotes years double quotes colon years underscore old comma double quotes array underscore city double quotes colon array underscore city underscore capital close curly close parenthesis. Now, of course, Django comes with a full template language. And what does that mean? Well, we're going to be using template tags, and those will allow us to have more flexibility in our templates and display variables. We'll be able to form loops and set up filters. The HTML and the template languages are mixed in the templates. However, the template language is very simplistic. And in fact, there's not a whole lot of it when you compare to HTML code. In fact, a web designer will find that they'll very easily be able to modify any of the template files. Now, in our controller, we send a variable named my underscore var. So we can display it in a span tag like this. So you add these lines in the article tag of our template tag. Left angle span right angle. Double curly brace, my underscore var, close double curly brace. Left angle slash, span right angle. Alright, so in this way, because our variable contains string hello world, the HTML code that will be generated is as follows. Left angle span, right angle, hello world, bang, left angle slash, span, right angle. Alright, so we're going to learn how to create conditions for variables or functions in order to filter the data and the variables in the following examples. So language templates will also allow conditional structures. Now note that for a display variable, double curly braces are used, but once we have an action to be made as a condition or a loop, we're going to throw in some percent signs as well. So our controller sends a years variable that can define age. An example of a conditional structure is when you can change the value of the variable in the controller to observe the changes. So let's add this code into our article tag, left angle span right angle, curly brace percent sign. If years less than 10%, close curly braces, you are a child. Open curly brace, percent. L if years greater than 18%, close curly brace. You are a teenager. Open curly curly brace, percent else, percent, close curly brace. You are an adult, exclamation. Open curly brace, percent, end if, percent, close curly brace. Left angle slash, span, right angle. Now in our case, when we send the value 15 to the generated template, here's the code that gets used. Left angle span, right angle. You are a teenager. Left angle slash span, right angle. Now looping will allow you to read through the elements of a table or data dictionary. So in our controller, we set a data table called array city, in which we have the names of cities. Now if you want to see all the names of the cities in the form of a list, we can write this out in a template like this. Left angle, UL, right angle. Open curly, percent, for city and array underscore city, percent, close curly. Left angle, LI, right angle. Double curly brace, city, close double curly brace. Left angle slash LI, right angle. Open curly brace, percent, end for, percent, close curly brace. Left angle slash UL, right angle. For this looping, we'll go through the array city table. Place each element in the city variable that we display in the LI tag. Now what about using filters? Yeah, filters are a very effective way to modify the data before sending it to the template. We will look at some examples of filters in the following sections so that we can understand them just a little bit better. So we've got upper and lower filters. The lower filter will convert into lowercase letters. The upper filter converts into uppercase letters. So the example given here in a subsequent section contains the myHello variable, which equals hello world. So the code for the lower filter looks like this. Left angle span, right angle, open curly brace, my underscore hello slash lower, close double curly, left angle slash span, right angle. So that code generates the code for the upper filter looks like this. Left angle span, right angle, open double curly, my underscore hello, slash upper, close double curly, left angle slash span, right angle. Now there's also something called the cap first filter, and this transforms the first letter into uppercase. An example with the myvar equals hello variable looks like this. So the pluralize filter can easily handle plurals. As often developers use a simple solution for, well, just because of time is running out, my friends. So this is a solution to display two channels. So let's say we have two products in our cart. Django simplifies this kind of string. The pluralize filter will add a suffix to the end of a word if the variable represents a plural value. I'll show you like this. You have open double curly product, close double curly, NB underscore products, open double curly, NB underscore products, slash pluralize, double close curly, in your cart, period. So this channel will show the three channels if NB underscore products is 1 and 2. You have one product in your cart. You have two products in your cart. So you see in this example, we use a filter that takes arguments for the first time. Now to set parameters to a filter, we've got to use a syntax like this. Open double curly variable slash filter colon double quotes parameters double quotes close double curly. So then this filter helps to increase the quality of your site. See, a website looks much more professional when it displays correct sentences. Or maybe that's just me.